Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on audio focus on PS5. So first of all, you want to go to the settings, then you want to scroll until you will see system, press on it, system software, and then system software update settings. Now you need to make sure that it is up to date. If there's any updates available, you want to update your software. After that, you want to go back, press on sound, and then scroll to the bottom of the page until you see volume, and here you will see your headphones of volume, and you will see audio focus. So just make sure you connect your headphones. So audio focus makes soft sounds clearer when using headphones. To turn it on, basically press on here, focus type. You can focus on boosting voices, like amplifying voice chats, character voices. A high pitch would be sounds like footsteps, and some quiet sounds like a wide range of frequencies. So maybe choose this one, whichever you want. Now you can adjust left and right separately if you want to, just like so, or you can leave it for example like so. So that's pretty much it. Now you can just press on audio preview and see if you like it or not. And that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.